welcome back to my YouTube channel. So our topic for today is linear inequalities. Linear inequalities. So these are some of the signs you meet during that topic. Okay, so A, we have less than, right? So there's a symbol for less than. Okay, then we have the B, we have greater than. There is a symbol for greater than. Then C, we have less than or equal to. So there's a symbol for less than or equal to. Then we have greater than or equal to. So this is the symbol for greater than or equal to, right? Then we have the equal sign. We have the equal sign here. Okay. So these are some of the signs that we are going to meet during that topic. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or equal to as well, right? Yes. So suppose what master them and take good note of them as well. So example 1, it says solve for multiplying x minus 1 is less than or equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, so now let's solve it. So first of all, we repeat the question again, right? So we have for multiplying x minus 1 is now equal to x plus 2. So you expand the what? The bracket. You expand the bracket, right? Okay, so expand the bracket, you get 4x minus what? 4, right? 4x minus 4, because 4 here will multiply the x, you get 4x, and the 4 here will multiply the negative 1, you get what? Negative 4. So it is less than or equal to 3x plus 2. Yes. Then you group the like terms about getting it. So those with x will move to one side, and the constant numbers also move to one side. So you have 4x, then the 3 here will move here. So this positive here, whilst moving here, it will go negative. So negative 3x. Then you have 2. Then whilst the 4 here is moving to this side, it was plus 4 because it was negative there, right? Yeah, so it is plus 4 now. Okay, so now you get x is less than equal to 6 as your final answer. X is less than or equal to 6 as your final answer. Yeah, so the question is so simple as well. So first you repeat the question, then you expand the bracket, you group the like terms, then you are good to go. Now let's move to example 2. Okay, so example 2 it says find the true set of 3x minus 5 multiplying 3 plus x is less than 1, right? So you have to find the true set of it. So I'll repeat the question again. You have 3x minus 5 multiplying 3 plus x is less than 1. Okay, so that was the question. So we're supposed to be sure to expand the bracket, right? Okay, so you have 3x, then negative 5 multiplying 3, you get negative 15. Then negative 5 multiplying x, you get negative what? 5x, right? Is less than 1. Then you have 3x minus 5x is less than 1 plus 15. Are you okay? Because the negative 15 here, when it moves to the right hand side, you can put it right. Okay. So let's continue. So 3x minus 5x, you get negative 2x. And 1 plus 15, you get 16. So we divide both sides by the coefficients of x, which is what? Negative 2. The coefficients of x, which is what? Negative 2. So divide negative 2, divide negative 2. X is 8. So s is less than negative. Okay, so one thing you're supposed to take note is that when you are dividing by, when the coefficient of the x is negative, the sign will change. So you consider the sign, symbol here is less than, right? The symbol here is less than. Right, because you divided the x by negative 2, the symbol will change. So we get s is greater than negative 8. Yes. When you are dividing by negative sign, or when the coefficients of the x is negative and we are dividing by 8, the sign will change. So s is greater than negative 8 as your final answer. So now, because we're saying that find a true set, we'll represent it in true set form, right? So s is said that s is greater than what? Negative 8. Yes. So now you have to represent your answer in what? In truth set form, right? Okay. Okay, so now it says, example 3 says, find the solution set of 3 over 5x minus 3x minus 1 all over 2 is greater than 1 whole number 1 over what? 10, right? So as usual, you repeat the question again, right? Yes, so we have written 3 over 5x minus 3x minus 1 all over 2 is greater than 1 whole number 1 over 10, right? Okay. So now you change the mixed fraction here to improper fraction, right? Okay, so we get 3 over 5x minus 3x minus 1 all over 2 is greater than, if you change 1 whole number 1 over 10 into improper fraction, you get 11 over 10, right? 11 over 10. Okay, so now you have changed the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now you find the LCM between the denominators. You have 5, 2, and 10. So the LCM will be what? 10, right? Okay, so 10 times 3x over 5 minus 10 multiplying 3x minus 1 over 2, right? Yes. 10 is what? Greater than 10 times 11 over 10. So 1 go here, 1 go here, 2. So we get 6x. 1 go here, 1 go here, 5. So negative 5 multiplying 3x, we get minus 15x. Minus 15x is greater than 10 go here, 1, 10 go here, 1. So we get 11. 1 times 11 is what? 11, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, here. Negative, this one you get plus 5 here. Yes, plus 5 here. Because negative 5 times 3x, you get negative 15x. Negative 5 times negative 1, negative 4, so you get positive what? 5, right? Yes, it's less than this one, so you get 11. So you go the like terms, you get 6x minus 15x is greater than 11. Then once the 5 is coming here, it was negative 5. Okay, so get negative 9x is greater than 6. So you can write this by the negative 9, negative 9. So you get s. So 2 goes here, 3. But is 3 rather. 3 rather goes 23. 3 going to 6. 3 goes into 9, 3. So we divided by negative sign, right? We divide the x by negative sign, we divide both sides of the equation by negative sign, so the sign will change. So s is less than negative 2 on 3. S is less than negative 2 on 3. So now you have the numerator set form. X is set as s is less than negative 2 on 3. So that's the final answer for example 2, 3 rather. Okay, so example 4. It says solve the inequality. Solve the inequality. We have 1 over 3x minus 1 over 5 multiplying 2 plus x is greater than or equal to x plus 7 over 3, right? So we'll repeat the question again. Okay, so you have repeated the question again. So the first method is to what? To find the LCM, right? So the LCM between the denominators, you have 3, you have 5, you have 3 here as well, right? So the LCM is what? 15. The LCM between 3, 5 is what? 15. So you multiply 15 by each of the terms, right? Okay, so you multiply 15 by each of the terms. So 15 times 1 over 3x minus 15 times 1 over 5, 2 plus x. X 15 times x plus 15 times 7 over 3. This other thing is going to be right, because you're having 4 terms, 2 terms at the left hand side and the 2 terms at the right hand side. So you multiply a term by 15, which is the what? X here, right? So now let's continue. Now the 3 here, you go and step 1, the 2 will go here 5. So therefore you have 5 multiply x, you have 5x. Then minus 5 going to step 1, it goes here 3. Negative 3 times 2, you will get negative 6. And negative 3 times x, you will get negative 3x. And this will get 15x. Then here will cancel each of 1, go here 5. So plus 5 times 7, you get 35. So that's how it looks now, right? So you Google like terms. You Google like terms. You have 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x minus 15x. Now 35 plus 6. Right, because this one coming to what? It will be positive, right? Okay. So 5x minus 3x, you get 2x. 2x minus 15x, you get negative 13x. So negative 13x is greater than, then this one you get 41, right? So you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 13. So x Once you divide by negative sign, the sign what will change, the x. So x is less than or equal to negative 41 over what? 13. Yes, that's your final answer, right? Yes, that's your final answer. So that's the end of today's lesson. I'll put the assignment on the WhatsApp platform, then we solve it as well. Okay. Thank you for enjoying today's lesson. Bye bye.